Saturday sunset, we're lying on my bed with 5 hours to go. Fingers entwined, and so were our minds crying, I don't want you to go. You wiped away tears, but not fears, under the still and clear indigo. You said, baby, don't cry, we'll be fine. You're the one thing I swear I can't outgrow. My mother said the younger me was a pretending prodigy. Well, nothing that much has changed. 'Cause while you're wolfing down liquor, my soul, it gets sicker. But I'm sticking to the screenplay. Gotta say I'm okay, but answer this, babe. How is it now that somehow you're a stranger? You were mine just yesterday. I prayed the block in my airway dissipates and instead deters your airplane's way. But heaven denied, destiny decried, something beautiful died too soon. But I'm letting go, I'm giving up that ghost. But don't get me wrong, I'll always love you, that's why I wrote you this very last song. I guess this is where we say goodbye. I know I'll be alright, someday I'll be fine, but just not tonight.